Okay, welcome to this new set of questions. I think these will be slightly more challenging than the previous ones. We will know that in a bit. Don't know for sure, but let's keep on working. This is again the same topic from the previous video. If you haven't watched the previous video, go back and watch this. This is session number 2 for that. Um, this has considered the equation 5a plus 3a plus 3a plus 15 equals to 8a plus 7a minus 1. What is the value of 45a over 4? So I think I have 11a on this side and I have 8a plus 7a. So that's 15a again minus 1 on this side. I am going to shuffle these around and say that 15a minus 11a. That's 4a and that's 16. So a is 16 divided by 4. Okay, so a is 4, but I'm not interested in the value of just a. I want the value of 45a over 4, so that should be 45, and that should be the correct answer. Yes, that is the correct answer. And let's look at this new question. It says 3x plus 3 over 5x equals to 6. I'm going to cross multiply and say that this becomes 3x plus 3 equals to 6 times 5x minus 3. 3x plus 3 equals to 30x minus 18. Okay, so 3 plus 18 equals to 30x minus 3. That's 27x. 21 over 27, and I think that should give me 7 over 9. Okay, let's submit and see if that is the correct answer. Yes, that is also the correct answer. Again, I could have used my calculator to do the equation solver here as well. And let's quickly do that and check if our answers would have been consistent. 3x plus 3, 5x minus 3 equals to 6. And execute. I don't know what the correct answer is. Let's pick out a simpler one. 1, for example. I don't know what the correct answer is. I'm just asking my calculator if 1 is the correct answer. The calculator says no, 1 is not the correct answer. It says 0.778. Okay, sorry, that went away. 0.778. So I'm going to have to check my answers, which of these is 7778 in terms of in decimals basically. Okay, so let me go to the original mode and take you to the next question now. So consider the polynomial this. What is the sum of the coefficients of the polynomial resulting from adding p of x to q of x? So I just need to add these together. 3x4 minus 2x cubed plus 4x squared minus 6x plus 3. The intelligent way of writing this is to write them one below the other and write like that, so that you don't make a silly mistake. Okay, so I get 2x power 4. When I add these two up, I get 3x cubed. 5 minus 2 is 3x cubed. Then 2x squared minus 9x plus 10. Okay, what do I end up getting? I want the sum of the coefficients. So that's 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 minus 9 is minus 2. And plus 10 gives me 8. Let's check. That's the correct answer. Yes, that indeed is the correct answer. Let's take you to the next one. Okay, that looks like a complicated equation to solve. Again, I can do this on my calculator and I'm going to get the correct answer. It says when you are entering answers, you can answer a maximum of 4 characters. Answers cannot be negative. Enter only one answer. Decimal answers only go up to the hundredth, down to the nearest tenth or hundred. Answers can be written as a proper or improper fraction. Okay, fractions with uh, uh, slash. Okay, so I can actually do this directly on my calculator as well, and I can do this manually for you as well. Let's try to do this on a calculator first so that you see what I'm talking about. Again, I go to my solver. So 2 over 6 plus 1/3 x equals to 5/3. I don't know the original answer. Let's try x equals to 1 and let's execute. It tells me the 4 is the correct answer. Let's see. Yes, that is the correct answer. If I was doing this manually, how would I do it? I would do it like this. I see it's a very simple calculation. So 1/3. So I'm going to write 1/3 plus 1/3 x equals to 5/3. 1/3 x equals to 5/3 minus 1/3. 5/3 minus 1/3 would give me 5 minus 1 will give me 4/3. And when I cross multiply, it's going to be 4 over 3 into 3 over 1 from the other side, and x equals to 4. Let's look at this question. It says, how long will John take to run 800 meters at a 25-meter per second pace? Okay, so my speed is 25 meters per second. And I'm assuming the answer has to be in seconds because it doesn't say so. Does it say so? It doesn't. Okay, let's check. And distance that I want to run is 800 meters. So time is equals to distance upon speed. So 800 divided by 25. That gives me 32. Now, since there's no indication as to what units I'm using, I'm a little confused myself, but let's see if we get the correct answer. Oh, that is the correct answer. That brings us to the second set of questions. Thank you for watching. I will be back with more questions.